Hello, welcome back. Okay, now in this segment we're going to actually do a hustle whip, basic hustle whip. I know it sounds like, hustle, but it's really not. Okay, so 8 counts, two-hand open position. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Nice. And again, you can start with this one-hand hold and end up getting 2 on the way in, and you can release at the very end. Up to you. All right, take it from this angle. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good. One more time. You can do this. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Very cool. All right, nice and easy. So go back and rewind unless you need to. Practice on your own or together, either way, and then come on back for the next pattern.